You're scrolling in your Instagram Reels and then you watch a video, but you want to see it in closed captions. So it is like a subtitles, a closed caption at the bottom left of that video. You can see the words when the fellow is speaking. So this is a good way for you to read and watch at the same time. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Now this feature is only available in the phone and it is only available when the creator itself enable it on their Reels. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can enable closed captions for the Reels that you want to watch. Let's go. First of all, turn on your Instagram app. Alright, so this option is only available if the creator itself, the creator of the Reel, enable their closed caption in their Reels. I have another video. I'm going to show you how you can enable closed caption for your own Reels. But for this case, if you want to see the closed caption for other Reels, they have to enable it out of your hand. But for this video, the first one video here, fortunately he did enable closed caption. So for example, when you see at the bottom here, there's this thing called this is the hidden kidnapping. You can see the black box. Or even though he already have subtitles inside his video, but we can still turn it on here if you want to read. How do you turn it on or off? So for example, you click on the three dots at the bottom, click on closed captions. There's a few options here. You can see only show translated closed captions or always show closed captions. So if you will turn it off, all right, or never show closed caption, you can see there, it's gone, right? It disappeared the closed caption. But if you want to enable it again, just click on it, go and put here, always show closed captions. And then when you turn off, there you can see the closed caption. Not all video have this. For example, if you look into this video, you click on the three dots, okay, you have closed caption as well. How about this? Yeah, you can see here, this is a video that don't have closed captions. So not all video have closed captions. This closed caption is only available when the creator itself enable it. I think it's a good thing that you enable it, especially we are in a multicultural world. Not everyone can understand our slangs or the way we speak, so it's good to enable it. I'm going to have another video on that as well, on how you can enable your closed caption for your Instagram Reels, so do stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful for you when you watch your Instagram Reels. And if you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you and I see you next time. Goodbye.